This is how nature takes its course after we found a few eggs.
Yes.
Zoom in.
This is nature taking its course. We noticed this nest. And right now he's just... There's one more egg left. He took like 5 here. Nope, he took 5 already. He's one more. There's one more.
Where is it?
It's inside the nest. He's coming.
You're coming back.
The crow,
It's on the tree.
if you can see, it's on the tree. But this is how nature takes its course.
That's the feast of the day.
See him? Gliding around.
Oh, he's on the floor.
The crow eating the
Be
eggs.
happy. Jumpy.
Yeah, butterfly.
Did y'all uncover the egg so he can get them?
He already got one. The eggs are uncovered. There's barely any sticks on it. Just some leaves.
There he goes. He took it.
He has the egg.
Got it. Zoom in.
That's the 6th egg he's ever eaten. I'm already zoomed in. He has the egg in his arm, in his arm. His beak. There he goes. That's the final egg.
Yeah.
Set the fan.
That is the final egg.
The furnace fan.
Goodbye. Thanks for watching.